everybody, Anissa here with Arts Alive, back in the Arts Alive kitchen for some more fantastic fun with food. It's fantastic as well. Today we're gonna make some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but wait, you're not supposed to have peanut butter at schools, or some homes don't have peanut butter. That's okay, because Arts Alive peanut butter is in this jar and it's magical and no one is allergic to the Arts Alive peanut butter and jelly. Our song today is called the Peanut Butter and Jelly Song by
Parachute Express.
All right, I've got all my ingredients laid out. Let's go. Again, listen to the sound.
Want to come over to my house for lunch? Sure.
Yeah, I want to come over for lunch. What are we having? Peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Okay, I got bread.
Aren't you going to ask me how I make it?
How do you make it?
How do you make it? Oh, it's real easy. Listen.
First you take your
Peanuts and you crunch them.
You crunch them. First you take your peanuts and you crunch them. You crunch them for your peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly.
Then you take your grapes and you squish them.
You squish them. Then you take your grapes and you squish them. You squish them for your peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly.
Then you take your bread and you spread it. You spread it. Then you take your bread and you spread it.
You spread it for your peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Then you take your sandwich and you eat it.
You eat it. Then you take your sandwich and you eat it. You eat it for your peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh,
What a glass of milk tastes good.
you have milk? I have a glass of water. I'm gonna drink my water.
Hold on. Hey, Stephen.
Drink your drink.
Want to come over to my house for dinner?
Let's take another bite. Peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. This time I'm gonna get some lemonade to wash it down. What are you drinking? Tell me what you're drinking.
And jelly sandwiches.
Take another big bite. Sing it with me. Peanut butter and jelly. Oh, that was so good. I'm going to use my napkin, wipe it off. We'll make sure to clean up all our ingredients. Thanks for having peanut butter and jelly with me for lunch. Remember to like and subscribe. Arts Alive.